Ministry of Public Health of Ukraine. Krok 1. Medicine. Year 2017. Number 020. A person is in a room with air temperature of 38 degrees and relative air humidity of 50%. What type of heat transfer ensures maintenance of constant body core temperature under these conditions? A. Conduction and convection. B. Radiation. C. Convection. D. Evaporation. Conduction transfers heat from one object to another through physical contact. Convection transfers heat to air or water. Evaporation transfers heat as water changes state from a liquid to a gas. Radiation transfers heat via infrared radiation. Thermoreceptor is the receptive portion of a sensory neuron that codes absolute and relative changes in temperature. Temperature sensation enters the spinal cord along the axons of Lissauer's tract that synapse on second-order neurons in gray matter of the dorsal horn, 1 or 2 vertebral levels up. The axons of these second-order neurons then decussate, joining the spinothalamic tract. As they ascend to neurons in the ventral posterolateral nucleus of the thalamus. Hypothalamus is involved in thermoregulation, the thermoreceptors allowing feed-forward responses to a predicted change in core body temperature in response to changing environmental conditions. Humidity, or water vapor content of the air, has an effect on evaporation. The lower the relative humidity, the drier the air, and the higher the evaporation rate. The more humid the air, the closer the air is to saturation, and less evaporation can occur. Air temperature of 38 degrees C is hot and relative air humidity of 50% is low, so a person can control the body temperature by evaporation. The answer is E. Evaporation.